Let's begin to breathe in 3, 2, 1. Belly, chest, hood. Follow the rhythm, follow my breath. Halfway there. Keep on breathing. Belly, chest, in. Belly, chest, out. Last one, fully in and hold. Squeeze everything. Squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze your abdominals. Send the energy up your spine, up your prana tube. Feel the energy. Yeah. Place your attention between your two eyes. Keep on squeezing, keep on holding. We will exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it out fully and hold for this 1 minute 30-second breath hold.
Deep relaxation.
One more minute. Bring your attention back to how you feel, what you see behind your closed eyes. Just observe what is going on within you. 30 more seconds. Seconds. Take a big inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold. Squeeze. Feel the energy. Yeah. Beautiful. Keep on squeezing. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. And get ready for round number 2. We'll begin in 3, 2, in, out. Just keep Keep on breathing. You can do this. This is why we call it breath work. Halfway there. Four, three, two, last one, fully in, and hold. Squeeze your pelvic floor up, pull it up, squeeze your abdominals, keep everything tight, and feel the energy move up your spine. Yeah, enjoy it, keep on squeezing. All right, we'll exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it out fully, relax for this 1 minute, 30-second breath retention.
Deep relaxation.
One more minute. This is the time to just be with yourself as you look within. Observe what you see behind your closed eyes. Feel the inner light that we all have. Yeah, enjoy it. Thirty more seconds.
Deep relaxation.
Very good. 10 more seconds. All right, we'll take a big, powerful inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold. Squeeze and enjoy it. Send the energy up. Keep on sending it up. Yeah. Let it out in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Now back to the working part of breath work. This is the last round. Give it all you got. Be connected with each breath. We'll begin in 3, 2, halfway there. Keep on breathing. Belly, chest out. Belly, chest out. Yeah, we're almost there. Keep on breathing. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, fully in. Squeeze and hold. Yeah, keep on squeezing. Feel the energy move up the prana tube. Feel your inner light shine. All the beauty within us all, let it shine. Enjoy it. Keep on squeezing. We'll exhale in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Relax for this 1 minute, 30-second breath retention. One more minute.
Deep relaxation. Deep relaxation.
30 more seconds. Ten more seconds. We're almost there. Take a big inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in. Squeeze. Yeah, keep on squeezing. Feel it. Feel all the love. Beautiful. We're almost there. Let it out in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Beautiful. In 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Treat it like a wave. We fill up the belly, move it up to the heart, and let it out. No pause between the inhales and exhales. All right, beautiful work. We are halfway there. Last one, fully in. Squeeze everything tight and hold. Place your attention on the top of your head. We'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Relax fully for this 1 minute breath retention. Become aware of the space that is around your body. Become aware of the space that you see behind your closed eyes and just observe. "30 seconds left. Continue to observe. Continue to feel into your body. "10 more seconds. Take a big inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold. Engage the locks or bandhas if that's a part of your practice. Focus on the top of your head. Become aware of the energy moving all throughout your body. We'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Now take a few normal breaths to tune into your body. How do you feel after this breath retention? Just observe. Beautiful. And we'll get ready for round number 2 in 3, 2, 1. Out. Belly, chest, out. Beautiful. Follow the rhythm, follow the breath. Fill up the heart space and let it out. Beautiful work, everyone. We are halfway there. Continue with this expansion. Continue with this heart-opening breath work. Your lower abdominals, tuck your chin, and we'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Beautiful. Relax fully for this 1 minute, 30-second breath retention. One more minute. Thirty more seconds. If your mind is wandering, just come back to the body. Come back to the awareness of space. We have 10 more seconds. We'll take a big, beautiful inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold. Squeeze everything tight. Send the energy up. And enjoy. We'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Beautiful work, everyone. Take a few normal breaths. Enjoy this stillness, this calmness of the mind, and awareness of the body. And let's begin with the third and final round in 3, 2, 1. All right, beautiful work, everyone. We are halfway there. Five, 4, 3, 2. Last one, fully in, hold, beautiful. Squeeze your perineum, squeeze your lower abdominals. Enjoy the sensations. We'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out and relax. Remain calm, remain still, and become the observer during this 1 minute, 30-second breath retention. One more minute. Thirty more seconds. All right, 10 more seconds. We'll take our last final big inhale in 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold. Squeeze everything tight. Focus your attention on the top of your head. Observe how you feel. We'll let it out in 3, 2, 1. Let it out. Beautiful work, everyone. You can allow your breathing to return to its normal rhythm. Remain with your eyes closed as you become aware of how you feel if you're doing these breathing exercises. And if it's calmness or stillness that you feel, just know that anytime during your day, you can close your eyes and come back to this feeling. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe, comment about your experience. And I wish you all the best in this beautiful human experience that we are all a part of. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh. Peace.